So I recently went on a trip and my skin overall started looking a bit dull because I spent all my time out in the sun. My dark spots are looking really prominent and the discoloration around my mouth also looks a bit weird right now. I've heard that vitamin C really helps with hyperpigmentation. So I wanted to try that out. So I thought why not make a video out of it and test it out for a week and see how it turns out. So I just bought a new vitamin C serum for this. I'm using the 10% vitamin C face serum from Dermaco and it has 5% niacinamide, vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. I've heard that this is a beginner friendly face serum, so I guess this would work. It comes with a dropper and the vitamin C serum in a separate bottle. So the vitamin C serum are photosensitive, so keeping it out in the light might cause it to go bad. And when it goes bad, it turns into a yellow color. I expected it to come in a dark glass bottle so that that doesn't happen. But looks like the bottle they've given is transparent, so I'm just gonna store it inside the box it came in and keep it in the dark side of my cupboard so that it doesn't go bad soon. So whenever you use vitamin C serum, it's very important to follow it up with sunscreen or else you're going to make your skin worse than it already was. So I'm going to be using 1% hyaluronic acid sunscreen from Dermaco again because the vitamin C serum might be a bit drying for my skin. I got a 10% vitamin C serum. I already have dry and rehydrated skin, so I wanted to go in with a sunscreen which is not too light and it also has hyaluronic acid. This is an aqua gel sunscreen, so this might be the perfect fit for something like this. So I did some research to check why vitamin C is recommended so often in skincare routines. Vitamin C is an antioxidant, which means it fights harmful toxins that come in contact with your skin. And it also has anti-aging properties that reduces the appearance of wrinkles by synthesizing collagen on your skin. I'm going to be using 2 to 3 drops of the serum and tap it into my face, focusing on the areas which are hyperpigmented or the areas that have dark spots. As a brown skin girl who's been bullied for having brown skin, I just want to clarify that vitamin C is not the new Fair and Lovely cream. As brown skin people, it can be super easy to be sold the idea of skin lightening, and it might be a bit confusing when you're entering the world of skincare. Vitamin C helps to even out your skin, to work on the areas which are hyperpigmented or dark spots, to bring it back to the color of your rest of your face. And if that's something that you're looking for, please go for it. But let's not use it in the hopes of lightening our skin because our skin tone is already perfect. So this is day 2 of using the vitamin C serum. I'm gonna go ahead with using 2 to 3 drops and follow it up with sunscreen.
Two hours later.
Definitely do not recommend that. I think it's better to put it on your hand and then spread it on your face. It gets absorbed pretty quickly into my skin, but I give it a bit of time before I go in with the sunscreen. I'm just going to make sure that it's soaked into my skin. It has a very chemical dominant smell, so that might not be everybody's cup of tea. So yesterday I felt like my skin was a bit drier than it is usually, and it could be because of the vitamin C serum. So I'm gonna go in with a lot of sunscreen, and during the night I'm gonna go in with a moisturizer so that I can make sure my skin is not getting super dry and flaky. This is day 3 of using the vitamin C serum. So we reached 1K subscribers. I am so grateful and I can't believe we have 1,000 people here. I feel like I have 1,000 friends and I can't even comprehend that. Thank you so much for helping me reach this milestone. I started YouTube when I was in college and I didn't continue doing it for a while. I am so happy that I came back and now we are a 1K family. I'm not sure if I'm going to make a 1,000 subscribers special video, but if you have questions that you want me to answer about myself or what I talk about or anything that you want to see from my channel, please do leave it down below, and if I have enough questions, I might make a video out of it. Once again, thank you so much for subscribing. So I've been using the vitamin C serum for a week now. I generally prefer to use it in the morning, but you can use it in the morning or in the night. If you use it in the morning, make sure to follow it up with a sunscreen which is SPF 30 and above. And if you use it in the night, make sure to follow it up with a moisturizer of some sort if you have a dry or dehydrated skin. Regardless, whenever you step into the sun, you should be using sunscreen to make sure that your skin doesn't get burnt, because vitamin C is a potent antioxidant. It's better to not combine it with any other actives in your skincare routine. So if you're generally using salicylic acid or any kind of PHA, AHA, BHA acid, make sure to take a break from it when you're testing out vitamin C on your skin. Make sure you use the serum every day to see proper results, and it might take a month or so to see actual results and progress. So don't get discouraged when you don't see much of a result in a few days. And if you have active acne or breakouts on your face, I would recommend not using the serum unless you consult a doctor, because it might end up irritating your skin more. Another very important thing was to know how to store vitamin C serum, because it can go orange or yellow, and if it turns into a different color, you should not use it on your skin. It is very photosensitive and it might go bad really quickly. So I started storing it in the box that it came in, and I started putting it in my refrigerator and making sure that it's kept in a dry, cool, dark place. If you can't keep it in a refrigerator, you can still store it in your cupboard, but make sure it's cool and dark in there. And I would recommend buying a bottle which is tinted like this so that your vitamin C doesn't go bad. When you buy a transparent bottle, it has high chance of going bad, and it's not good if you use it on your skin like that. After 1 week of using it, I'm seeing a bit of improvement with respect to my dark spots. You can still see the dark spots here if you zoom in, but the appearance of them have reduced. I'm not able to see much difference with respect to wrinkles. I do have fine lines under my eyes, but I don't see much difference there. Maybe it will take a while to see a lot of difference. And with respect to my hyperpigmented areas, I am definitely seeing an improvement around my mouth, but on my forehead it pretty much looks the same like it was before I started the challenge. I think overall it was a win, because I'm really happy with how the appearance of the dark spots have gone down, even though the other areas look the same. I think I've definitely seen an impact here. I hope this video was helpful, and let me know in the comments what I should try next.